Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Web Solution Master. If you're a web developer, you've probably heard the buzzword quantum computing. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you at S, on the verge of completely transforming the web as we know it? And what if I told you that you, as a web developer, are in a prime position to be a pioneer in this new frontier? Stick around, because today we demystifying quantum computing and exploring exactly what it means for your career and the future of web development. We're going from theory to practical steps you can start taking today. Let's dive in. First, let us get the big question out of the way. What exactly is quantum computing, and why should you care? Traditional computers, the ones we use every day, think in bits, ones and zeros. It's a binary, either or system. Quantum computers, on the other hand, use something called qubits. Now, this is where it gets cool. Qubit can be a 1, a 0, or both at the same time. This mind-bending property is called superposition. Think of it like a spinning coin. Until it lands, it's both heads and tails simultaneously. This ability to exist in multiple states at once allows quantum computers to process a massive amount of information in parallel. So, how does this translate to building websites and applications? Imagine you're developing a complex e-commerce platform with millions of products and users, optimizing the supply chain, personalizing recommendations in real time, and finding the most efficient delivery routes are incredibly difficult computational problems. A classical computer would have to crunch through possibilities one by one, which can be slow and inefficient. A quantum computer could evaluate all possibilities simultaneously, finding the absolute best solution almost instantly. This means faster, smarter, and more efficient web applications that can solve problems we currently consider impossible. It's not just about making websites faster, it's about giving them entirely new capabilities. Let's talk about one of the most exciting intersections: quantum computing and artificial intelligence. AI is already a huge part of modern web development, from chatbots to recommendation engines. However, training complex AI models requires immense computational power. Quantum computing is set to supercharge this process. With quantum machine learning, we could train more sophisticated and accurate AI models in a fraction of the time. For web developers, this means integrating hyper-intelligent AI into your applications. Imagine a customer service bot that doesn't just follow a script, but truly understands context and emotion. Or a data analytics dashboard that processes real-time global data streams and delivers predictive insights instantly. Quantum-enhanced AI will enable web applications to be more intuitive, personalized, and powerful than ever before, creating user experiences that are truly seamless and intelligent. Now, with great power comes great responsibility. The immense processing power of quantum computers also poses a significant threat to our current security standards. Most of the encryption that protects our data online, from online banking to private messages, relies on mathematical problems that are too difficult for classical computers to solve in a reasonable amount of time. A powerful quantum computer, however, could potentially crack these codes with ease. This is a huge deal. As web developers, security is paramount. This is why the concept of quantum-resistant security protocols is becoming so crucial. We need to start thinking about and adopting new cryptographic algorithms that are secure against attacks from both classical and quantum computers. This isn't something for the distant future. Transition needs to begin now to protect the web's infrastructure. Learning about post-quantum cryptography will soon be a fundamental skill for any developer who handles sensitive user data. Of course, the road to a quantum-powered web isn't without its bumps. One of the biggest hurdles that scientists and engineers are currently tackling is error correction. Qubits are incredibly fragile. The slightest disturbance from their environment, like a tiny change in temperature or a stray vibration, can cause them to lose their quantum state. This is called decoherence, and it leads to errors in computation. Building stable, fault-tolerant quantum computers is a massive engineering challenge. For us as developers, this means that early quantum applications will need to be designed with this instability in mind. LL have to work with systems that might produce noisy or imperfect results, and develop software strategies to mitigate these errors. Understanding the hardware's limitations will be just as important as understanding the software. So, this all sounds fascinating, but how can you, a web developer, actually start getting your hands dirty with quantum computing? The amazing news is, you don't need a multi-million-dollar quantum computer in your basement. Major tech companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft have created cloud-based quantum platforms and are releasing quantum APIs. These APIs allow you to run code on real quantum computers remotely. This is a game changer. You can start integrating quantum algorithms into your web projects today. Imagine building a web app that calls a quantum API to solve a complex optimization problem, like finding the best portfolio for an investment app or designing a new molecule for a scientific research tool. By experimenting with these APIs, you can begin to understand how quantum processes work and discover innovative ways to apply them to your own projects. This is your chance to be at the forefront of a technological revolution. Looking ahead, it's clear that the landscape of web development is set to change. Just as knowledge of mobile development or cloud computing became essential over the last decade, foundational understanding of quantum concepts will become a key differentiator for developers in the coming years. You don't need to become a quantum physicist, but understanding principles like superposition, entanglement, and quantum algorithms will be invaluable. This knowledge will enable you to identify which problems are suitable for quantum solutions and how to effectively integrate them into larger, classical applications. The web of the future will likely be a hybrid model, where classical and quantum processors work together, each handling the tasks they're best suited for. Developers who can bridge this gap and speak both languages will be in extremely high demand. So what are the key takeaways? First, quantum computing is not science fiction. It's an emerging technology that will enable a new generation of incredibly powerful web applications. Second, it will revolutionize areas like AI optimization and scientific discovery online. Third, we must be proactive about security by moving towards quantum-resistant cryptography. And finally, you can start learning and experimenting right now through cloud-based quantum APIs. The journey into quantum web development is just beginning, and it's an incredibly exciting time to be a developer. It's a field ripe with opportunity for innovation, creativity, and career growth. Don't wait for the future to happen, start building it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has sparked your curiosity about the quantum world. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into future tech. Have you started exploring quantum computing? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and answer any questions you have. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.